Welcome to this TASTAFE information video. If you're passionate about the environment and how natural resources are managed, the Certificate 3 in Conservation and Ecosystem Management just may be the pathway to kickstart your career or gain additional qualifications while working in the natural resource management sector. With increasing pressures on natural environments, job opportunities in the conservation and ecosystem sector is rapidly expanding. The applied skills and knowledge this certificate provides are highly valued in many job postings within the industry. So now is the perfect time to become part of a global network of conservation professionals. The course is designed around 16 units, 2 core units and 14 electives. The on-campus delivery has a fixed study plan with the course design focused on a balance of biological and ecological units with several skill-based small commercial qualifications. However, if you're in the workplace, these units can be chosen and tailored to suit your workplace needs. The facilities available to TASTAFE students include teaching-based classrooms and laboratories and working nurseries for propagating plants to be used in revegetation projects. In addition, TASTAFE has a working farm, and all campuses have numerous links to industries where students gain valuable hands-on learning experiences in real-world applications of conservation and ecosystem management activities. As a result, there are many off-site bushland locations visited to complete practical activities. There are no minimum entry requirements to enter the course, but you will need access to a computer and the internet. If you are a workplace-based student, you will need to be working or volunteering in the conservation and ecosystem sector to gain experience. In the campus-based course, we use numerous outdoor fieldwork activities to gain this experience. So once you apply, we will have a conversation with you to make sure this course is right for you and that you have the skills, personal transportation and fitness required to successfully complete the course. The mid-year entry conservation and ecosystem course is available only at the Allenvale campus for 2026. The on-campus course starts on the 28th of July and ends in the last week of June, with deliveries held over 2 days per week between 9 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. Classes will be held on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. The course is also available as a 2-year workplace-based apprenticeship which can start at any time. During the course, you will visit many work sites and locations to supplement your learning, such as industry visits and many bushland locations. During the course, you will visit many work sites and locations to supplement your learning, such as industry visits and various bushland locations. In the bush, you will be involved in a variety of activities in maintaining natural ecosystem areas, such as identifying plants and animals, and conservation activities such as controlling weeds, revegetation, track maintenance, and debris cleanups, to name a few. To revegetate an area, you need to propagate plants, so expect to get your hands dirty collecting seeds and germinating plants in the TASTAFE nurseries for later use in revegetation projects. There are lots of tools and equipment used in the conservation ecosystem management area, so this course teaches you how to safely and effectively use these tools with some example units including the use of brush cutters, chainsaws, side-by-sides, quad bikes, tractors, forklifts and 4-wheel drive use and recovery. During your study, you will learn industry relevant skills such as the safe use and application of chemicals, and soil or water testing using modern electronic test equipment and chemical analysis tests. Being able to identify plants and animals is a crucial skill in conservation and ecosystem management, so the course focuses on developing these skills in bushland locations so you can describe the biodiversity of an area and identify any threats such as an invasive weed or other pests and diseases. For the on-campus delivery, there is a minimum attendance of 80% needed to complete the course. A variety of assessment tasks are used. Assessment tasks include written questions, assignments, and observations of practical activities. You will need steel-cap lace-up boots, long sleeve shirts and pants, PPE such as sunglasses, hats, gloves, high-vis vests, a clipboard, and access to a computer connected to the internet to successfully complete this course. Course fees range from $410 for concession card holders to $2,730 depending on the level of government subsidy. To get an estimate of fees, go to the course page on the TAFE website and see what you're eligible for. If you're interested in the course, applications open at midday, Monday, the 28th of May. To apply, visit the TAFE website and go to the Apply and Enrol page. Follow the 3 easy steps to find out what you need to do at each stage of your application process. You may wish to create a TAFE student account in advance and have copies of your previous educational qualifications to help save you time in your application. Once you have applied, keep an eye on your email for the outcome of your application, or if we need to gain extra information from you, and to arrange your course conversation as part of the entry requirements for this course. TAFE offers a range of student support services from student counsellors, disability liaison officers, and Aboriginal support officers, and can provide advice about financial assistance, counselling, disability support, and pathway planning. Study Start is a TAFE program aimed at improving your study skills before you start your course. You will learn how to use computer programs that we use at TAFE, as well as skills to help you study. TAFE also offers help with foundation skills such as reading, writing, maths, computer skills, study skills, or workplace skills. They can provide group or individual tutoring, and they can provide on-campus or online help and assistance as required. So let's recap some key details. Applications for this course open Monday, the 10th of November at midday. As part of the application process and before being offered a place in the course, a member of our team will contact you to discuss if this course aligns with your goals and aspirations and to ensure that you are fully informed and understand the course requirements. If you have any questions, email primaryindustries@tafe.tas.edu.au or call 1300 655 307. So let's recap some key details. Applications for this course open on Monday, the 28th of May at midday as part of the application process, and before being offered a place in the course, a member of our team will contact you to discuss if this course aligns with your goals and aspirations and to ensure that you are fully informed and understand the course requirements. If you have any questions, email primaryindustries@tafe.tas.edu.au or call 1300 655 307.